Hi, my name is Sarah Stevens. I'm one of the 4 owners of Express Employment Professionals here in North Central Indiana. We understand that this is a very unique and stressful time, considering some of the lack of information, the questions that you might have about the entirety of the situation, and now, in addition to that, unemployment. So, I myself am not a state representative. I am not an expert in unemployment, but I do have some knowledge here, and I'd like to pass that knowledge along to you to be able to answer any questions that you might have, or at least point you in the right direction and get you started on the right foot. Now that things have temporarily, I want to really focus on that term, temporarily changed in your employment status. This is not a permanent thing for you, for your company, for Indiana, or for our country. This is a temporary situation that if we all buckle down, we'll get through. Indiana and federally, there have been lots of things that have been done over the last few days to help individuals in your situation. So I'm going to point you in the right direction to be able to take advantage of some of those. So I'm sharing my screen with you right now. It is the IN.DWD unemployment website. So this long button here, now they even mention here the stimulus package that was signed or will be signed very soon. That in itself is aiding the unemployment situation. It's just yet to be seen on exactly how. On the state level, there have been many other changes to part-time workers, to shorten the wait times. So there's lots of things that have been done to be able to help you in your situation currently. So I want to take a moment and click on the frequently asked questions specifically to this COVID situation. A lot of the questions that you have are contained in this document. I would wager that you're not the only one with these concerns, and they've heard them. And this document itself is being updated almost daily. So this last date was effective March 20th. However, it has updated since then. It explains to you what documentation you're going to need, how much you will be receiving on unemployment outside of any stimulus. This document does not contain any of the additional stimulus money that should be coming to unemployment claimants as well, but this is just solely for the state of Indiana and their current unemployment situation. So I would highly encourage you to take a look at this. I will have included some of the snippets, the most commonly asked questions, in an email that you might receive along with this video. So if for some reason you don't receive an email with this video, feel free to reach out to us at Express and I can forward that along to you as well. So let's back up a bit. So this video vault right here is a YouTube channel of how-to videos. I'm going to include some of the links within this to be able to pass along to you, some of the most pertinent on how to file your unemployment claim. It walks you screen by screen, activity by activity, and explains to you in detail on how to complete this process. So if we go down a little bit farther, there are links to the Claimant Handbook, which I will also have included, and video tutorials, as I mentioned, frequently asked questions, and then here is the button to file for unemployment. This link, if you get to IN.DWD, it is all over the place. There are many buttons that will direct you to this portion. They have really streamlined the unemployment process. Through the 2008 through 2010 unemployment season, as we'll call it, they really took that time and learned some hard but valuable lessons. They've streamlined this, made it easy, and a 1, 2, 3 process. And as long as you're open and honest with all of these questions, unemployment claims are easily submitted and reviewed. So let's go ahead and click on this 1, 2, 3, and it will just show you. The first step is to apply. So you do need a valid email account. So if that's something that you don't have, they're free, they're easy on Google with Gmail or some of the other free services. Gmail is probably the most prevalent and easy. You're going to need your social security number and driver's license or ID, date of birth and phone number. Your most recent pay stub. If you don't have that, we'll be happy to provide that. Otherwise, it's available online at expresspros.com, and you will log into your account and your pay stubs, your most recent pay stubs are available there. So number 2 explains the vouchers, and after the filing, what happens then? What happens next? So my understanding is that the local Work One office is now closed due to quarantine in regards to the COVID virus. All unemployment questions need to be submitted to this 1-800 number, 1-800-891-6499. They will send you through some automated prompts, and then you could answer them remotely with the commonly asked questions, automated forum, or be directed to a person. So I would recommend trying to accomplish everything online, even if you get assistance from somebody, a friend, coworker, family member. Feel free to give me a call here at Express. I'll do my best to help you, but again, I am not an employment specialist, and I am not qualified to help you with your claim. I can give you advice, but it is not state-sponsored or maybe what you would be looking for on an individual level. So again, for all unemployment questions, it's 1-800-891-6499. So I'm going to back up just a little bit in this video. Uplink self-service is what you are looking for. Again, this button here is how you manage your unemployment and is located all over the IN.DWD website here. They are doing an excellent job on updating their website. It's updated almost daily, as I had mentioned, with new information. Everyone is taking this so very seriously. This is a very troubling time that we're all trying to band together, both on the state and employer level, to help everyone as best as we can. From here at Express, stay safe, stay communicating, and we'll be with you soon.